Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve at least 8 math basis of IGCSE or SAT examination, and today we are going to solve about solving linear equation, and it's very important for examination. This video, if you think it's important for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and let's start. Question 1. Here is the equation which is minus 11 plus x equals to 9. Given the above equation, what is the value of 20 minus 11 minus x? Look, this one, if we take common minus, so it will become 11 minus x equals to 9. So this one we can write 11 minus x equals to minus 1. Once we multiply both sides by minus 1, so left side minus will be out and right side will be minus in. So 11 minus x equals to minus 9. Therefore we can write like this: 20 minus, and 11 minus x equals to minus 9, so we can write here minus 9, and our answer will be 20 minus and minus, it will be plus 9, so answer is 29. Very easy way. We can make solution by just thinking. We can easily make answer this one. So answer is 29. So first one done. Second one, here is also equation 33 minus a equals to a plus 27 minus 5a. What is the value of 33 plus 3a? Look, here is minus, here is 33 minus a and equal a plus 27 minus 5a. So look, if we make all a in left side, so this minus 5a will become plus 5a, this a will become minus a, and here is already a minus a. Okay, equal, here is 27 and this 33 will become minus 33. So look, here is 5a and here also minus 2a, so it will become 3a, and here is, we can do one thing. Look, here is 33 plus 3a, so we can, this one can keep here, so plus 33, and answer is 27. So 33 plus 2a will be 27. Okay, clear? If you have any question, just write one line in comments box. Number 2 done. Now number 3. Here is 1 by 2x plus 3 equals to 3 by 4 minus x. What is the value of x? So this one, x we can make one side, so 1 divide 2x, and this minus x we can write plus x, equal, here is 3 by 4 and this plus 3 we can write minus 3. So we can make LCM, so here is 2x plus 2x, and here is LCM is 4, so 3 minus 4 times 3 is a 12. So here is 3x divide 2 equals to minus 9 divide 4, right? Then this one we can write here, so cross multiplication, so 3x plus 3x times 4, it will be 12x, equals to minus 9 times 2, it will be minus 18. So if we divide both sides by 6, or we can write like this, x equals to minus 18 divide 12. So once we divide by 6, numerator and denominator, here is 3 and here is 2. So our answer is minus 3 divide 2. Okay, complete. So number 2 and number 3 done. Number 4. If x minus inside bracket 3 minus 2x plus again inside bracket 4 minus 5x equals to minus 7, what is the value of x? So first we have to out this bracket, so ax minus, so once bracket before sign is minus, so sign will be changed. So minus 3 plus 2x, again plus, here is plus sign, so 4 minus 5x equals to minus 7. Now here is x, here is 2x, and here is minus 5x. So we can write 2x plus x, it will be 3x, and here is minus 5x, so here minus 2x equals to, here is minus 7, and look, here is minus 3 and here is 4, so it will be plus 1. This plus 1 will go right side, so here is minus 7 and minus 1. So here is minus 2x and here is minus 8. Once we divide both sides by minus 2, so it will become x equals to 4. So our answer is 4. Okay, clear? Number 4 done. Number 5. Number 5. If 3/4 of a number decreased by 20 is equal to 82, what is the number? So we have to understand what are saying in here. First, if 3/4 of number, first we think number equals to x, we don't know what is the number. Okay, the number is x. So 3/4 means full, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, 1 2 3. Okay, and full number is this one, it means 25%, 25%, 25% and 25%. Okay, so 3/4 we can write 3 divide 4. It means whole number is x, it means 4, and 3/4 means 3 by 4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4. So 3/4 means 3 by 4. So we can write like this: 3 divide 4x decrease by 20, it means minus 20, and it's equal to 82. 82 means 8 and 2. Okay, now we have to find out the x. X means our number. So this one we can write like 3x divide 4, and then this 82 we can here plus 20, then 3x equals to 102, then we divide 4. Now 102 and 3x equals to 102 times 4, right? Then 3x equals to, here is 408. Now we divide both sides by 3. 408 divide 3, and the answer is 136. So our number is what? Our number is x equals to 136. Okay, hope you cleared this one. So first you have to understand what is quarter, 3/4, half, like this. So number 5 done. Now number 6. Number 6, 2 and 3/5 of a number equals minus 26. 2 and 3/5. Okay, 3 and divide 5, it's called 3/5, and number we don't know what is the number, so it should be x, and it's equals to minus 26. Look, this is a mixed fraction, So first we have to make it improper fraction. So 5 times to 10, 10 plus 3, it will be 13. Divide 5x equals to minus 2, 6. If we divide both sides by 13, so this 13 will be out and here 13, so it will be minus 2. So x equals to, once we multiply minus 2 by 5, so it will become minus 10. So our answer is number B, minus 10. Okay, minus 10 is our right answer. Okay, it's clear. Number 6 done. Now number 7. Look, there are 142 students in a high school band. These students represent 2/9 of total student in the high school. How many students attend the school? So we don't know the number of students, so it should be x, right? And here saying 142 students in a high school band. Okay, 142 students a high school band, and these students equal or represent 2/9 of total student. So 2/9, it means 2 divide 9. 2 divide 9 of students equals to 142. We have to find out the total student. Okay, so total student we don't know, it should be x. So we can write like this, x equals to here 142 times 9, and these two will divide all numbers. So here is 142 divided by 2, so it is 71. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 7 is 63. So total student 639. So it should number C. It's 639. Number 7 done. Now number 8. Number 8, today's last problem. Here is an equation which is 820c plus 380r equals to 4360. What does mean this one? The above equation models the amount of calories in a snacks of C cups of cashews and R cups of raisins. The amount of calories per cup of cashews in 820 and the amount of calories per cup of raisins is 380. According to the equation, how many cups of raisins are used if 3 cups of cashews are used to make the snacks? Look, here is 820c cashews plus 380 raisins equals to 4360. So in question told if 3 cups of cashews are used, so we can write 820 and against this C we can write 3 and 380 R and 4360. We have to find out the result of R. So once we multiply 820 by 3, it will be, here is 0, then 2 times 3 is a 6, 8 times 3 is a 24, plus 380 R equals to 4360. Now if we subtract both sides by 2460, so it will become, here is 380 R and 4360 minus 2460, right? Now here is 0, 6 minus 6, it will be 0, 13 minus 4, it will be 9, carry 1, 2 will become 3, 4 minus 3 is a 1, 380 r. So r equals to 1900. We will divide both sides by 380. Okay, so this one out, and 5 8 is 40, 0, 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 4 it means 19. So the answer is 5. So 5. So our right answer number C, it will be 5. Okay, thank you very much being with me. We try to solve 8 math. It's very important for IGCSE or SAT or SCT, and these kinds of linear equation also important for any kinds of mathematical examination in the world. So we will try to solve these kinds of math, continue, and at least every week we try to solve these kinds of, or these kinds of video we try to make at least 5 videos per week. So thanks again. If you have any question, just put in your comments at comments box. And my request, if you think this video is very important for you or it's okay for you, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.